So I wasn't tagged in the Show Us Your Swiss Army Knife challenge, but you know what? I'm going to go ahead and jump in anyhow because I don't believe I'm waiting on an invitation for anything. So here's the deal. Here's what I've got as far as Swiss Army knives go. I've got two of them here, as you can see. Start off with the basics. I obviously put lanyards on both of my Swiss Army knives just because it's a lot easier if I throw them in a bag or something like that. I can always see the lanyard, snatch it out of the bag real quick, easy to grab, or I can just loop the lanyard over something and I'm not gonna lose it or anything like that. So, what kind of Swiss Army knives do I have here? Well, we're gonna start with the larger of the two. These are both 91mm Swiss Army knives. Okay, they're both Victorinox. This one here we'll start with, this is from 1994. This is the Deluxe Tinker model. Distinguishable mainly because it's got the plier set on it, as well as having the Phillips screwdriver on it, the hook, the awl, scissors, and then the other standard blades that are on almost all Swiss Army knives. So here's a picture of that real quick. So that's what it looks like. Again, I've had this since about 1994. It's in pretty good condition. Currently it is missing the toothpick on this one. I'm getting ready to order a new toothpick for this and actually a new spring for this other one here. And I will put a link to the website that I'll be ordering those from in the description below. Even though I'm not affiliated with them, they have some amazing prices on accessories for Swiss Army knives. So that's the first one. That's the Deluxe Tinker. Again, this is the newer of the two. So I've also got this one here. Now, to be honest, I've done a lot of research and cannot figure out exactly which model this is. It's from 1984, thereabouts, 1983, 1984, I want to say. It's Victorinox. I can't find a picture or description that has this exact combination of tools on it, because this particular 91mm Swiss Army knife is 4-stacked, as you can see. However, it's got the corkscrew, the scissors. You can see that broke spring. That's what the spring I'm going to be replacing. I might do a video on that. So it's got the corkscrew, it's got the scissors, and it's also got the saw blade. It's a wood saw blade there. And here's a picture of that. So if I can get any help on actually identifying this accurately, again, there's some different ones out there that are close, but they'll have the, just one tool will be off. Like it'll have the Phillips screwdriver instead of the corkscrew, or it will have the saw blade but not the scissors. You know, like I said, there's a couple different models. Camper is one of them, Climber is one of them, but this really doesn't exactly fit any of those particular models. But this is my favorite one. I've actually featured this in another video that I did about gift giving from April of 2018. I did a video about gift giving and stuff like that, and the reason that I brought this up in that video is because this was actually given to me by my father. This was given to me, like I said, back in 1983, 1984. I want to say 1984. So I've had it with me all these years, and I really love it. It's one of the most, practical go-to knives that I've got. These Swiss Army knives came into popularity long before the whole multi-tool craze. I'm still a bigger fan of Swiss Army knives than I am of multi-tools. So those are the two Swiss Army knives that I've got. Again, both of these are 91mm. Both of these are 4-stacks. This one, the Deluxe Tinker, is slightly wider than the other one that I've got. And I think that's got to do with the plier that's in there. Kind of makes that a little bit wider. And it's got the 3 tools on the back, whereas the other one only has the 2 tools on the back. So there they are. And as I stated earlier, I was not tagged in this challenge in the show us your SAK, your Swiss Army knife challenge, and therefore I'm not going to tag anybody else specifically. Who am I going to tag? I'm going to tag you. You right there. Whoever's watching this video, that's who I'm going to tag. I'm not picking out anybody in specific, I'm tagging you. I want to see your Swiss Army knife. So, hey, show us your Swiss Army knife. That's it for this video. If you appreciate this video, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, you know that I would appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to share this video if you want to. And then, maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.